Hello students, today I am going to demonstrate you the experiment R to R ladder type 4-bit DAC. So this is the experimental kit for the demonstration of 4-bit R to R ladder type DAC. This kit consists of a 4-bit R to R ladder by using these resistors. These horizontal resistors are having value 1 kilo ohm. So the resistance value of these vertical resistances is 2 kilo ohm each. So this R to R ladder consists of this 4-bit ladder, and we have to give the binary input to this point, this point, this point and this point. These are the 4 binary inputs for this 4-bit ladder network. This input is MSB, this input B is LSB. Now another part of the circuit is this important part, IC741. The output of this 4-bit R to R ladder network is in the form of current. It should be converted into voltage. So that is why we are using this operational amplifier as a current to voltage converter. It is basically used in inverting mode. We are applying the input to pin number 2, which is known as inverting input of the op-amp. Then pin number 3, which is known as non-inverting input terminal, that is connected to ground. So this operational amplifier requires a plus minus 12 volt power supply, that is known as dual power supply. Here these 3 pins are giving you the plus minus 12 volt power supply. This yellow color central pin is at ground, this black color is at minus 12 volt, and this red color pin is at plus 12 volt. So internally this plus 12 volt is connected to the pin number 7 of the operational amplifier. This pin number 7 is plus VCC terminal of the op-amp. This negative 12 volt is connected internally to pin number 4 of the op-amp. That pin number 4 is minus VCC pin of the op-amp. Then output is taken from pin number 6 of the op-amp. You get the output with respect to ground, this yellow color. This yellow pin and this yellow pin, these are all internally connected to the ground pin of the supply. So we are getting the output from pin number 6 with respect to ground. This output is analog output voltage, that is of course DC voltage. So now we have to apply here 4-bit binary inputs here. So for applying 4-bit binary inputs, here are 2 pins at plus 5 volt. These black pins are at ground voltage level. Means whenever you want to give binary 1 to a particular input pin, then connect that pin to this red color socket. And when you want to give a binary 0 to any one of these pins, then connect that pin to this black color pin, this or this. So these red color pins are giving 5 volt. 5 volt is taken as binary 1 in TTL logic, and this ground voltage is taken as binary 0. So let us start the demonstration of this experiment by giving the 4-bit binary inputs like this. So this is the table. So if you give the binary input 0000 up to 1111, then you are getting the output voltage in analog form, and this column shows you the expected output voltage readings theoretically. Practically we have to write down the readings under this column, and then after the observations are taken, then we have to find out the error. Take the numerical difference between the corresponding outputs, expected and practical output, you will get the error. So in this way we have to make the table of observations like this. Now see here, first of all we shall give all inputs as binary 0. So this right side is MSB, this one is LSB. All 4 bits are given binary 0, means we have to connect them to these black sockets. All 4 inputs are connected to these black sockets. So we will see the output. What is output? 0. 0.003 means that is 0. Now give the input as 0001. means 0, 0, 0, 1. Simply this LSB is given 1. Connect to the red socket. Remaining 3 must be connected to black socket. So take the output voltage reading from pin number 6 with respect to ground. So you will get minus 0.307 is the analog output voltage corresponding to binary input 0001. Now give the next binary input 0010. 00 means upper bits are 00, both two bits 00. Then this one is 1. Again, last one is again 0. LSB is again 0. Means 0010 is the input. So what is output? Minus 0.618 is the output voltage, analog output voltage. Now give the next binary input. After 0010, the next input is 0011. So 0011. These two pins, lower two pins are at 11. 0011 is the binary input. So let us see what is the output analog voltage. So the analog output voltage is minus 0.929. So remember, this minus sign is coming only due to the inverting mode of op-amp. At inverting input terminal, if the input signal is applied, at the output the sign is changing. If you apply the DC in positive input voltage, output voltage has the negative sign. If you apply negative input voltage to pin number 2, that is inverting input of the op-amp, output voltage is positive. So here input voltage is positive, so you are applying positive voltages, so output is having negative sign. So minus 0.929 for 0011. Now give the next binary input 0100. 0100 means this is to be connected at here. Then this is to be connected to plus 1, binary 1. And these two are to be connected to ground terminal. So let us see for 0100 binary input, what is output? Minus 1.239. This is the output. Minus 1.239. Now give the next input 0101. This is to be connected to 0. 5 input is 0101. This is to be connected to 1. And this is to be connected to 0. And this is to be connected to 1. So input is decimal 5. Means binary 0101. So what is output? Output is 1.550 like this. Now next input is 0110. 0. Then these two are to be connected to 1, and this one 0. So what is 011? 0. Output voltage should be 1 point something. 1.859. Now the next input is 0111. Means this MSB is 0. Other three are at 111. So 1, 1, again 1. So you get, see here output. Output is more than 2 volts, so you have to change the range from 2 to 20. Because voltage is greater than 2, so this, if you keep this function switch at 2 volt range, then it will not show the reading greater than 2. It will go out of scale, so I have to change the range from 2 to 20. So see the output voltage, minus 2.17. Minus 2.17 was the voltage for 0111 binary input. Now next input is 1000. So what is output? Minus 2.48 like this. Minus 2.48 is the output for binary input 1000. So next input is 1001. This MSB is 1, LSB is also 1, and middle two input pins are at 00. So 1001 is the binary input. What is output? Analog output voltage minus 2.79. So see here again, minus 2.79 volt is the output, analog output voltage for binary input 1001. Now give the next binary input 1010, means decimal equivalent 10. 10 means this 1, then this D2 is 0, D1 is again 1, and D0 is 0. 1010. So what is output? Minus 3.10 is the output for binary input 1010. Now give the next binary input 1011. So what is output for 1011? Minus 3.41. Minus 3.41 is the output for voltage for binary input 1011. Now next input is 1100. What is output voltage? Minus 3.73. Minus 3.73 is the output voltage for binary input 1100. Now next input is 1101. What is output? Minus 4.04. Minus 4.04 is the output for binary input 1101. Now next input is 1110. All three upper bits are 1, only this last one is 0. So what is output? Measure the output. Minus 4.35 volt. Now the last is all are 11. What is output? Output is minus 4.66. See here, minus 4.66 volt is the analog output voltage corresponding to binary input 1111. So in this way we have performed this experiment known as 4-bit R2R ladder DAC. So in this way you will get the readings like this. These are the expected readings, theoretical readings calculated by the formula, and these are now the readings taken now in this practical. So we have to find out how much error is occurring at the output. Simply make the numerical difference between these two corresponding outputs. Write the difference here, you will get the error. So this was the demonstration of this 4-bit R2R ladder DAC. Thank you very much.